Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing blockers. Make the site public and add a custom domain so Google can crawl. Once done, identify 3-5 target keywords for your first pages and map one primary topic per URL. Create concise, readable slugs and write unique page titles that include the main keyword near the start. Make sure to draft a meta description for each page and use your keyword in the first 100 words so Google understands relevance immediately. Now focus on on-page signals. Put your main phrase in the H1 and sprinkle variants in H2 and body text for semantic breadth. Once headings are set, compress and rename images, then add clear alt text describing the image and page topic. Make internal links from older content to the new page using keyword-rich anchor text. This distributes authority. Also, aim for substantive content, 300 to 800 words or more, so the page has depth and answers user intent. Complete setup by adding and verifying your site in Google Search Console, then submit a sitemap or request indexing for main pages. Once live, monitor clicks, impressions, CTR, and position weekly to spot drops and iterate on content or titles. Improve load speed and mobile layout if metrics lag. If pages don't index, inspect the URL for robots. TXT blocks, accidental noindex tags, wrong canonical links, or sitemap omissions. Fix the identified issue and request reindexing immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.